Have you ever stopped to think about that tiny little gatekeeper on your phone, the Authenticator app? It sits there, unassuming, yet it holds the keys to some of your most valuable digital possessions, including your crypto accounts. In a world where digital security is paramount and the threat of malicious actors looms large, these apps have become our frontline defense. But when it comes to your hard-earned digital assets on a platform like Newton Crypto, which Authenticator app is standing guard? That's the question we're diving deep into today. We live in an era of unprecedented digital connectivity, where financial transactions, personal communication, and even our identities exist in the vast expanse of the internet. This digital revolution has brought incredible convenience and opportunity, but it has also ushered in a new wave of sophisticated threats. Cybercriminals are constantly evolving their tactics, seeking vulnerabilities in systems and preying on unsuspecting individuals. From phishing scams designed to steal your login credentials to malware that can silently infiltrate your devices, the dangers are real and ever-present. In the realm of cryptocurrency, the stakes are particularly high. Unlike traditional banking systems that often have robust insurance and recovery mechanisms, cryptocurrency transactions are typically irreversible. Once your digital assets are gone, they're often gone for good. This inherent characteristic of blockchain technology underscores the critical importance of robust security measures. Exchanges and platforms like Newton Crypto understand this fundamental need for user protection and have implemented various security protocols to safeguard your investments. One of the most effective and widely adopted security measures is two-factor authentication, often abbreviated as 2FA. Think of it as adding a second lock to your digital front door. Instead of just relying on your username and password, something you know, 2FA requires a second piece of information, something you have or something you are. This second factor significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, even if a malicious actor manages to obtain your primary login credentials. There are several methods for implementing 2FA. One common approach involves receiving a one-time password, OTP, via SMS. While convenient, this method has been shown to have vulnerabilities, such as SIM swapping attacks where criminals can trick mobile carriers into transferring your phone number to their device, allowing them to intercept SMS-based OTPs. Another increasingly popular and more secure method of 2FA relies on authenticator apps. These applications, installed on your smartphone or other trusted devices, generate time-based one-time passwords, TOTP. These codes typically refresh every 30 to 60 seconds and are unique to your account and the specific device on which the app is configured. Because these codes are generated offline and are not transmitted over potentially insecure networks like SMS, they offer a much higher level of security against various attack vectors. So, circling back to our initial question, what authenticator app does Newton Crypto utilize to provide this crucial layer of security for its users? After careful review of Newton Crypto's official security documentation, help resources, and account setup processes, it's clear that Newton Crypto strongly recommends and primarily supports the use of standard time-based one-time password, TOTP, authenticator apps. This means they aren't tied to a proprietary authenticator app of their own, but rather embrace the widely accepted and trusted TOTP standard. This is actually a significant advantage for users. By supporting standard TOTP apps, Newton Crypto provides flexibility and choice. You're not forced to download and manage a specific, lesser-known application. Instead, you can leverage well-established and highly regarded authenticator apps that you might already be using for other online services. Some of the most popular and highly recommended TOTP authenticator apps that are compatible with Newton Crypto and many other platforms include Google Authenticator. This is one of the original and most widely used authenticator apps. It's simple, straightforward, and available for both Android and iOS. It generates 6-digit TOTP codes and offers basic functionality. Microsoft Authenticator, another robust option from a trusted tech giant, Microsoft Authenticator goes beyond just generating TOTP codes. It also offers features like phone sign-in, passwordless authentication for Microsoft accounts, and the ability to automatically fill in 2FA codes on your devices. It's available on Android and iOS. Authy is a popular choice known for its user-friendly interface and convenient features like multi-device synchronization and cloud backups. This means if you lose your phone, you can easily restore your 2FA tokens on a new device. It supports both Android and iOS, and even has desktop versions. 1Password, while primarily a password manager, 1Password also includes a built-in TOTP generator. This can be incredibly convenient for users who already rely on 1Password to manage their passwords, keeping all their security credentials in one secure place. It's available across various platforms. LastPass Authenticator, similar to 1Password, LastPass, a well-known password manager, offers its own authenticator app. This provides another integrated solution for users within the LastPass ecosystem. It's available for Android and iOS. How does it work with Newton Crypto? When you enable two-factor authentication on your Newton Crypto account, the platform will present you with a QR code and a secret key. You then need to scan this QR code using your chosen TOTP authenticator app or manually enter the secret key into the app. Once this is done, your authenticator app will start generating time-based one-time passwords that you will need to enter, in addition to your password, every time you log into your Newton account or perform sensitive actions like withdrawals. Why is using an authenticator app so important for your Newton Crypto account? Enhanced security. As mentioned earlier, it adds a crucial second layer of security, making it significantly harder for unauthorized individuals to access your account, even if they somehow obtain your password. Protection against phishing. Even if you fall victim to a sophisticated phishing attempt and inadvertently enter your password on a fake website, the attacker won't be able to access your account without the constantly changing OTP generated by your authenticator app. Defense against malware. Keyloggers or other types of malware that might be present on your computer and capture your password won't be able to bypass the 2FA requirement. Compliance and best practices. Using 2FA is generally considered a security best practice for any online account that handles sensitive information or financial assets, and cryptocurrency platforms like Newton Crypto strongly encourage its use. Backup your recovery codes. When you set up 2FA on Newton Crypto, you will typically be provided with a set of recovery codes. These are crucial. Store them in a safe and accessible place, but not on the same device as your authenticator app. If you lose access to your phone or your authenticator app malfunctions, these recovery codes are your lifeline to regain access to your account. Treat them like gold. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.